How to log in WhatsApp without verification code. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in WhatsApp without verification code. Logging into WhatsApp without a verification code can be challenging because the verification process is designed to secure your account. However, if you don't want to use your verification code while logging into WhatsApp, then you can try this step. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device, and on this interface you will see Agree and Continue button at the bottom. Tap on this option and now you will be taken to this page. Here you will be prompted to enter your country code and the phone number. As we are logging into WhatsApp without verification code, then you need to tap on these three dots at the top right. Once doing that, a drop-down menu will appear where you will see two different options. Here you will see Link as Companion Device. That means if you have access to the device where WhatsApp was previously installed, you can try this option. Tap on this Link as Companion Device and then you will be presented with the QR code on your page. Here you need to scan this QR code from your original device and then you will be able to log into your WhatsApp without using verification code. But if you don't have access to your original device, the only option to log into your WhatsApp account is by verification code. If you don't want to receive the verification code, you may also use the call system. Here you need to enter your phone number, then tap on this next button at the very bottom. After that, tap on yes to state that the number is correct. Once doing that, at the very bottom you will find Verify Another Way. Tap on this option and here you will be presented with two different options, Send SMS and Call Me. You can choose this Call Me option and now you will be able to request a call from WhatsApp. After the successful verification of this call, you will be able to log into your WhatsApp without using the verification code. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into WhatsApp without verification code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.